Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to generate resume text with Gemini app in 1 minute. If you need a polished resume quickly, Gemini can draft one for you. Step 1. Open Gemini. Download and launch the Google Gemini app from App Store. Then sign in with your Google account. Next, in the chat box, write a prompt like write a professional resume summary for a marketing manager with 5 years of experience in digital campaign, and there you go. Gemini will literally do it in seconds. For better results, include your skills, achievements, or industry example. For example, highlight SEO, content strategy, and leading a team of 4. And then Gemini will generate a professional summary, bullet points, or even a full draft to copy to move it into notes pages or resume template app like Canva. You can either ask Gemini to shorten it or make it more formal, or something like make creative depending on the job you're applying for, and that's it. Safety tip: never paste sensitive personal info like address or phone number into Gemini. Add those later when editing your final resume. Quick fix: if the output feels generic, prompt Gemini with specifics. Example: make this sound like a senior role for resume for a tech startup job, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.